I am so pleased to introduce our guest today. She is host of Cooking Channel's Korean Food Made Simple. She's a popular judge on several Food Network competition shows, including one where I was named an Iron Chef. Welcome, Judy Joo!
So fried chicken, I would have to say, is something new in Korea. We do it in a way that is really, really unique and Korean. So it's a little bit of a twist, and we're gonna start out.
Put me to work.
I'm gonna put you to work. So I like to start out with a pre-coating, okay?
Pre-coating, okay.
So we've got cornstarch, pepper for flavor,
Pepper.
salt, obviously, for flavor, and you got some, what was that? Oh, that's a baking powder. Now, the baking powder raises the pH level and helps with the browning and also creates bubbles.
I knew that.
Yes, exactly.
And what do I do now?
Mix it together. Now, choose your best pieces.
Okay, so
excellent.
a thigh
meat, right? We like the dark meats. Okay, stay away from breasts because they're dry.
So
okay?
I just...
Get it, use your hands.
Oh,
Come
no.
on. No? Are we not?
I'll use my hands, I'll use my hands.
So you gotta get in the crevices.
Guys in turtlenecks normally don't fry chicken. I understand that, Judy. This is what we deal with here.
Down and dirty and fry
okay.
the chicken. You want to get it inside there because you want to make this dry. Because the best thing about fried chicken is the batter.
Okay,
right?
so how long do you leave this out like this?
For about an hour.
Outside room temperature?
Yes.
Okay.
That's fine.
So that makes the skin crispier?
This dries it out because the batter has to have something to adhere to. If you try dipping this, it's too wet, there's too much fat, it's going to slide right off.
Aha!
Yeah. Okay. And then after that, I've got my little spice tray, or no, flour tray. Flour. Okay. Garlic, onions, salt. Secret ingredient. My secret ingredient.
Matzah.
Yes!
Oh!
Shut up.
Put that all in here, but also there's this. This is special. This is magic dust. This is Korean chili flakes, gochugaru. Okay.
Gochugaru.
Gochu means chili, garu means powder.
Beautiful.
Really, really nice color. Also got some more cornstarch and a little bit of baking powder also.
Wow.
So mix that together. So that's...
This is gonna be good.
But all but one of those things, maybe two, are in your pantry.
Definitely. And you can definitely get a lot of these things. And if you can't find Korean chili flakes, use something else.
And any ground chile for the chiles would probably work. You said it was on the sweeter side?
I feel it has its own flavor. The Korean chili actually is its own species.
Like the platypus.
Exactly. It is like the platypus.
So what are you doing with this?
This is the gochujang. Gochu, again, is chili. Jang is paste. So we're putting this in. This is going to add flavor.
Okay, right in here.
Yes, right in there. Yes, stir it up, and that's also going to add some nice color.
Okay.
Now, this is another nerdy touch, okay? Vodka. Vodka.
Sounds nerdy to me.
Vodka.
I know why.
Why do we add vodka?
It's the alcohol that tries to escape and it creates bubbles.
Kind of. It prevents gluten development.
Yes, I knew that.
Oh, that's a great one. What's that rest of it?
I can't believe you're my sous chef.
I know.
This
It's gonna end in about 2 minutes.
And then just water. Water.
Enjoy it.
Okay, we have to wash our hands first because we touched chicken raw. All right.
I love the color of that batter, how it gets
awesome.
that nice color to it.
There we go. Nice. I like to hold it first, otherwise it sinks to the bottom and then it sticks to the bottom. So it's a bit of technique when you deep fry.
Cheesy.
Okay.
I'm glad this wasn't a competition show.
School today.
You can come back every other week, please.
Look.
So this cooks for about 10 minutes, and then let's try
10
some.
minutes.
I am starving.
Yeah.
We have to try it.
Let's try.
Have to.
Let's try
Have
some
to.
of these.
Okay, and what kind of sauces? What do we
Okay,
have?
so I like to serve it with two sauces, red sauce and black sauce. Black sauce is a sweet soy sauce. It's got sugar, it's got garlic, it's got ginger, some mirin. You drizzle it all on top. And then so this one is the gochujang sauce, which is made from gochujang right here. This is the umami paste, and I've thrown in all kinds of things in there like garlic, vinegar, mirin, sugar, sesame oil, so that is a flavor bomb.
What is that?
This is what you eat with it. This is a type of pickle. It's pickled daikon or radish. Really addictive. You eat the two together.
Oh my God. Is there sugar in there? What's in there?
Sugar, vinegar.
Okay, here I go. I'm going to Korea right now.
Salt.
Oh, good, you're eating it with your hands.
Great.
This is a first.
Oh, man. Everything you promised is amazing. Sam. Thank you, Judy, for joining us today.